It says yellow and it says slow.
Two blind school students wear pink and stand at a table in the Ogden gym.
Yellow, you must like yellow.
A student crawls through a blue tube on the floor about 10 feet long. A little girl crawls on the floor and touches a robotic stuffed dog. A little girl uses a fishing pole in the gym, pretending to catch a fish with a teacher.
Fish! I think you have a fish. Can you feel it? Yeah. Keep twisting. Keep twisting. It's gonna come.
Good job.
Students and an adult wave a bright colored mini parachute.